Hey, it's Chad Greenway, former Iowa Hawkeye and Minnesota Viking linebacker. Today talking about two great Midwestern brands, Lola's Fine Hot Sauce and Grey Duck Vodka, which is something I'm a part of and super excited about. Today I'm going to make the Bloody Mary mix with Lola's Fine Hot Sauce's new Bloody Mary mix, Southern Jalapeno. We take our gold medal award winning Grey Duck Vodka, Grey Duck Vodka is made right here in the Midwest with Midwest corn. You can take Lola's Fine Hot Sauce, Southern Jalapeno flavor. This is my favorite. I love a little kick in my Bloody Mary. You can add a little of this in there. A little garnish, celery, a pickle, olive and cheese. Cheers.